आज the top 3 on the like board will run straight into the semi-final.
I also have a thought. I think we should change the format because they all were so phenomenal. And instead of 3, we should choose 4 creators for the semi-final.
Devansh, Queen, Priyam and Ankit, congratulations.
Welcome to Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3 in association with Varanga and beauty partner MyGlam. We are now down to the wire with just 4 of you remaining. You've all come a long way.
Yep.
And to map out your way forward, अपनी आंखें स्क्रीन की तरफ डाइवर्ट करो for your next content brief.
Oh my god. Oh shiz.
आज खाली है कोई है नहीं क्या
Oh. Who's that? Oh my god. Oh my god.
कैसे हो?
Good.
Amazing.
मेरे टॉप 4 सेमीफाइनलिस्ट। फेक सब फेक एनर्जी।
नहीं सच में
मैं हमेशा जब भी लाइव आता हूँ ना मुझे लगता है कि ये आज गया और तू बच गया आज, लेकिन एंड मोमेंट पे यू पुल्ड दैट कंटेंट पीस व्हिच टुक यू टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल। This episode, guys, the like board is crucial. It's what you need to work for because one of you is going to be leaving us. And we will not be saving anybody. It will have to be top 3, guys. We broke the format once. We cannot break it again.
Right.
Your content brief for the next post is once again
Okay.
a brand.
Brand. All right.
You will be making an ad film for Noise. It has to be iconic.
Right.
It has to be 30 seconds only. You have to use 2 products from Noise that's available at the Myntra store. One of the products has to be their exceptional smartwatch, and the next product has to be any product of your choice. You have to highlight the products and their tagline, which is listen to the noise within. Got it?
Yes.
So please don't take this opportunity lightly.
Yeah.
Okay? Make the brand look sexy and make yourself look amazing and make sure that you influence us to buy it.
Bye.
So, top 4 video for Noise.
Yeah.
See you guys soon. And with me, I am taking all your likes away with me so that your like board is reset and it's back to 0.
Oh my god.
zero
This entire show is giving us shockers again and again, so I'm like pretty scared.
बहुत डू और डाई वाली सिचुएशन है। टॉप 4 में तो आ गया, अब टॉप 3 में जाना है, फिर जीतना भी है। तो फॉर दैट फटाफट स्टोर में चलते हैं। चलो।
We have to be really quick because as you know, we just got our brief and we don't even have time to select it properly. So I just hope I choose the right stuff. Should we do Indian? Should we do Indian in a bit? Should we do Indian?
नॉइज ने बहुत नॉइज मचा के रखी हुई है। लिसन टू द नॉइज विद इन।
दिस इज नॉइज फिट एक्टिव और मैं ट्रैक भी कर सकता हूँ फिटनेस फ्रीक हूँ ना मैं, तो मैं सब कुछ ट्रैक करूँगा, तो आई विल डेफिनेटली पिक दिस।
This bud is really nice. Let me check it out. How is it? So it's called Bud Solo.
आई जस्ट वांट टू चेक कि कैसा लग रहा है। बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है गाइस, तो मैं इसको पिक करना चाहूँगा फॉर श्योर।
We are pretty sorted. फटाफट जाते हैं शूट लोकेशन पे। टाइम बहुत कम है। Let's rush to it.
सो ऑल सेट फॉर सेमीफिनाले गाइस। तो मैं पहले देख लेता हूँ कि लाइटिंग सब सेट है या नहीं, फिर उसके बाद हम शूट स्टार्ट करते हैं।
हाँ थोड़ा बढ़ाओ, अभी थोड़ा बढ़ाओ, थोड़ा बढ़ाओ, बस हल्का सा राइट पैन करो। एक आदमी करे ना, फट जाओ दादा।
We got a brief that we got to make an ad film on this brand called Noise.
अभी आर्टिस्ट जहाँ पर हो जगह मार्क करो।
The tagline is listen to your noise within. I guess I know what I'm gonna do, but it's just really, really stressful right now.
Andrew, fast, come on, come on, come on.
Yes, yes, yes.
लोड़ा होकर सेंटर में लो दादा, फोन पे बात मत करो। एक और चिप दे, एक टेक करते हैं प्रियम, लेट्स गो, चलो। हाँ लो पीछे लो। हाँ रुक जाओ।
Yeah, she switched on.
ओके डैडी।
Oh, wait again. Wait, sir.
दादा ऐसे पकड़ो लाइट। जाओ उधर जाओ। हाँ अभी सेंटर लो।
मुझे पता ही नहीं कि ये प्रोडक्ट जो है इसको वीडियो में कैसे दिखाना है, क्योंकि आफ्टर ऑल दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस ब्रांड नॉइज। सो आई एम अ बिट कंफ्यूज ऑन हाउ आई एम सपोज्ड टू इनकॉर्पोरेट दिस इन द वीडियो, बट देखते हैं।
मेरे को मतलब ऐसे ही चाहिए लाइटिंग, सॉफ्ट लाइटिंग। क्लोजअप शॉट रहेगा मेरा स्टार्टिंग में फेस का, इन विच स्लोमो हाई स्पीड पे शूट करेंगे कि जैसे मैंने ऐसे नीचे होके आंखें खोली हूँ। Make every second count.
Good. Okay. Wanna zoom?
Action.
ऐसा नहीं, कट ऐसा तो नहीं जाएगा।
अभी ये चेक करो, ये तो नहीं दिख रहा।
तो हमें प्रोडक्ट दिखाना, विजिबिलिटी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो उसके लिए मतलब मुझे क्लोजअप शॉट चाहिए और मुझे वैसे अभी मिले नहीं है, तो मैं अपने कैमरामैन को समझा रहा हूँ।
रमेश अन्ना लाइट दे। रमेश अन्ना सर, आपने एक लाइट अभी बीच में किया था, वो वाला डालना, बहुत अच्छा आ रहा था वो।
We're just setting up and the lighting looks amazing. I just wanted to show some sort of vulnerability and I guess the feel is coming. I'm so happy and let's see how it goes. We are doing crazy shots. We have something thought of. There's a message behind and the pressure is on.
So ट्रॉली मूव करूँगा, ऐसे किया तो ट्रॉली मूव ना।
नहीं आप इधर आए ना, फिर मैं ऐसे करता हूँ।
तो अभी तो यहाँ से वहाँ जाऊँगा ना।
We are going to take the dancing shot and this time I'm going to be a dancer, a ballerina.
ट्रॉली keep going.
Fuck, I can't. What should I do? To be honest, just create a short, simple video, but no, my ideas are going too complex, to be honest. It should be only on my face.
Rolling. मैं बोलूँगा, फेंकना मत अभी।
Fuck, the cop broke.
Oh my god, you guys, this is the finale episode, the final task, final look, and I'm so nervous. I just hope it turns out the way we, envisioned it.
टाइम है नहीं है मेरे पास, बिकॉज ख़त्म करना है, बहुत सारे आउटफिट चेंज करने हैं, तो अभी मेरे को टेंशन हो रही है यार, इतनी कम टाइम में कैसे होगा।
ये जो डीजे वाली लाइट है मेरे को पहले ही चक्कर दे रही है, इससे पहले मैं गिर जाऊँ, शूट करते हैं फटाफट। आ जाओ। रोलिंग।
Nice. Yeah, perfect. चलो हो गया।
Perfect.
सारे एक्शन शॉट सब कुछ खत्म हो गए, पूरी सीक्वेंस हो गई है। अब बहुत होगी बातें, फटाफट से वीडियो को एडिट करते हैं। चलो।
I'm in the top 4, so it's kind of tough. I'm going to sit here and watch every clip and then edit it and get some, something to click on.
The whole thing is, it likes 30 seconds, but I have a voiceover, so we'll just have to align the movements with the voiceover. That's about it. Yeah?
सर देखो, शॉर्ट्स ऐसे लेने हैं, मतलब प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा दिखे और जब मैं दिखूं तो मतलब सेक्सी दिखूं, ठीक है?
Alright guys.
Such less time. Are you guys even finishing it?
Influencers, I hope कि आप सभी के पोस्ट रेडी हैं, क्योंकि it's almost time to upload. यही पोस्ट डिसाइड करेगी कौन आएगा टॉप 3 में और कौन देखेगा फिनाले घर से।
Fucking hell, this is so not happening. I'm so tense today.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Oh my
6,
god, I guess I might have to upload
5,
incomplete.
4, 3, 2, 1, and upload. Your time is up.
Done.
Okay.
But बहुत hectic हुआ है इस बार, and also like top 4 पे तो like all of the other people are, everyone is super great at their content and I feel like add करना मेरा वो forte नहीं है, so इसीलिए थोड़ा डर लग रहा है क्योंकि आज elimination भी है। अब तो जजेस को वीडियो देखना है, फिर ही पता चलेगा कि क्या होगा, उनका रिएक्शन कैसा है। और क्या बोलते हैं उसको? क्या बोल रही है वो? I love the watch.
Wow, well done my influencers. जैसे तुम्हें तो पता ही है, time doesn't wait for anyone.
Yes.
But there is someone special waiting for you on the other side of the screen.
Who the hell? Oh my god.
I have some not so good news. When you work as an influencer, as a creator, you work every day to create deliverables for brands, correct? And sometimes you get last minute deliverables, right? It will come at the last minute. So this is real life scenario, and as creators you have to deliver. Because if you don't, the work will go to, say, someone like an Ashna or a Kusha. You slip up and they get the project. Since you guys have been working so hard on your noise deliverable, there is another deliverable that you have to do for another brand.
What?
Damn it. Aren't you tired?
पहली पोस्ट ऑलरेडी मेरी इतनी अच्छी नहीं बनी है, आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद दैट एंड दे हैव हिट अस विद अनदर पोस्ट। कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा।
So the brand that you're going to be creating the second post for is Ecovero Lensing. It's a sustainable brand that produces fabrics, okay, that's sustainable, that's new age, primarily for a brand like Roadster.
Oh, okay.
And other brands like Dillinger, House of Patodi, Dressberry, etc. This is a unique proposition because the fashion industry at large is moving towards sustainability, right?
Yes.
Sustainability, eco-friendly, ये सिर्फ keywords नहीं रहे. This has become way of living for fashion people, right? So as creators, आपके लिए बहुत important है कि आप इन चीज़ों को address करो. And a brand like Ecovero Lensing is doing innovation with respect to creating sustainable fabrics, right? So there are a few sort of caveats in this post, okay? It's a picture post.
Oh, okay.
There's no video.
Okay.
It's a digital catalog with images. In your digital catalog post, your messaging is take less, give more, okay? You have to make sure that your outfit is from Roadster. You have to make sure that you sell us the concept and we get sustainability, we get less is more, we get all of that, right? So the idea has to be cool and a perfect balance between fashion, sustainability, new age, narrative. You have to marry the concept here. If your first post is incredible, this has to be top notch, okay? All the best.
Thank you. प्रेशर बढ़ गया हम पे।
अरे यार
मुझे बढ़ गई टेंशन,
दिमाग चल ही नहीं रहा है।
दिमाग हो गया ब्लॉक।
Oh my god, it has already been super stressful. Like वो इतना short time पे, like we had to create an ad for noise, and now इसके ऊपर they want us to create a picture post instantly and today itself. So you can just imagine the amount of stress that we are having.
सस्टेनेबल फैशन को पिक्चर्स के थ्रू या फिर किसी भी चीज़ के थ्रू प्रमोट करना इज़ वेरी ट्रिकी। कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ अगर आपने चूज़ कर ली या गलत मैसेज चला गया, इट कैन टर्न द टेबल राउंड।
tagline is "Take less, give more." So I'm planning to, like, you know, do a 5-picture post, digital catalog kind of stuff, and where I tell a story about how zero waste is also a priority.
This is from Roadster, as you can see. This is cute.
I want कि earthy tones हो, क्योंकि we are connecting fashion with nature, तो वैसा कुछ रखूँगा. earthy tones, camouflage prints, beige tones.
गाइस मैं शूज़ भी उठा रहा हूँ. शूज़ बहुत मेरे को अच्छे लग रहे हैं बिकॉज मेरे को फंकी कलर्स पसंद है, तो ये वाले उठा रहा हूँ. एंड इसके साथ कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट करूँगा.
I've selected my Roadster outfits. I don't even have time to think, but I'm gonna quickly go and decide, get into hair and makeup, and get to shooting.
मेकअप देख रहे हो गाइस? ये बढ़िया होगा, होल्ड करो.
I just got ready for my first look. I'm not really happy with this because this is not my aesthetic, but still we're just gonna go and shoot it, and that too it's in a swing.
We try to stand on it.
Oh my god. Oh, this is like...
See, we have 1 hour to finish this whole thing, and it's such an elaborate setup. It's just crazy. Like, you know, my head is, I don't know, like, I don't even know what I'm thinking, you know. So let's just do it. The portraits are amazing. I really love these shots. It's really looking like how we wanted to portray it. I'm happy. We're moving to the second change.
ले लो
और ले लो.
बस ठीक है सही है. So I'm loving it. फ्लैट लाइटिंग सब में सेम, कुछ ज़्यादा चेंज नहीं करा रहा हूँ. अब बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग शॉट होने वाला है. ये जो फूल हैं ये हम ऐसे लेटेंगे और ये मेरे ऊपर आएंगे, एंड इट्स गोना बी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, जो कि मेरे पास है नहीं. तो मुझे फटाफट जल्दी करना है जो करना है.
जगह इधर डालूं क्या?
चेक कर ले, शॉट के लिए चेक कर.
हाँ ठीक है.
सो गाइस मैंने अभी जो रेफरेंसिंग की है मेरे को लग रहा है कि वो बेटर रहेगी. जो मैंने प्रीवियस सोचा था उससे अलग है थोड़ा, क्योंकि इस टाइम मैं बिल्कुल भी रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहता, क्योंकि यहाँ तक आया हूँ तो आई वांट कि मैं आगे भी जाऊँ. डन होता रहेगा मेरे को. खड़ा हो सकता हूँ मैं? हाँ. सो गाइस पहले मुझे बहुत कन्फ्यूजन था कि जो मैं कर रहा हूँ पता नहीं अच्छा लगेगा या नहीं, बट दिस इज आई रियली वांट, एंड वैसा शूट हो गया है.
आई थिंक वी गॉट दिस लुक.
हाँ चलो ठीक है.
We want to show the visualization, sustainable fashion. So इसलिए मैंने थोड़े बहुत थीम के रखे हैं. मतलब ये लाइट है, we are bouncing back, नीचे जीन्स लगाई हुई है.
सर्टिफाई देना.
ठीक है, अब मैं अपने आप बॉडी बेंड कर लेता हूँ, फिर इसको हटा देना.
ओके.
तो ये बन रहा है अभी.
This is the semi-finale, guys. We have to take it like very seriously, I'll be honest here. So even I'm trying to do my best.
So I'm not going that wide, huh?
No, but you'll take no shots because it's like a catalog. So one look up, different
Multiple
angles.
pictures, multiple angles, yeah.
So they're taping flowers on me. This is what we gotta do to get the perfect shot.
Just hold this.
You can see it without me having to speak. But I just hope it turns out the way I want it to.
So you look a little uncomfortable. Maybe thoda sa relax. Yeah.
Okay, I'm finally done. That was so hectic. Oh my god. I just hope I get time to edit because I literally had to finish it in like 40 minutes.
सेमीफिनाले है तो इसमें मैं अपना हुकुम का पत्ता फेंक रहा हूँ, तो आपको दिखाता हूँ मेरा हुकुम का पत्ता, चेक कर लो.
Yeah, let's do this. Give me more angles in this. फटाफट.
रोडस्टर इज़ अ ब्रांड जो इको फ्रेंडली है। मेरे को ये वाला शूट सबसे अमेजिंग लगा। आई डोंट नो ये जजेस को पसंद आएगा या नहीं आएगा। मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ एडिटिंग के लिए बिकॉज मेरे पास कम टाइम है, 20 मिनट्स रह गए हैं, तो मैं वहाँ पे जा रहा हूँ। अभी मैं सिलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ मेरे को कौन कौन सी फ़ोटोज़ चाहिए। फ़ोटोज़ अच्छी लग रही हैं मुझे, जो मैंने किया है अच्छा लग रहा है। बाकी एडिट के बाद पता चलेगा और मैं बाद में बताऊँगा आपको। चलो जाओ बाय।
I have 10 pictures in mind. We'll make 5 frames of 2 collages each. We'll just put some write-ups and that's about it.
This is just like a camera look कभी भी कैटलॉग में नहीं अच्छा।
We don't have much time and this is going to just get played out, shown to the judges, and I'm excited. I can't run. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
कितना टाइम है मेरे पास? कितना टाइम है?
मालूम नहीं यार, कितनी बोलेगी।
अगर लेट हो गया
Influencers, I hope you're ready with the deciding post that will unlock the door to the final 3 of Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3.
Okay, thank you.
Your time will be up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Okay,
0. Upload.
Hello.
Ashna, I love your corset.
It's really hot. It's very, very hot.
Ankush,
I
I love your
love the eyes.
corset.
I'm doing blue in the next episode. Fancy.
Where is MM?
MM is late.
Where is
MM is
he?
late. We have to pick on him for this.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Hey
I'm
guys,
excited.
what's
Oh
up?
my god! MMM से आज आप 12 on 10 लग रहे हैं क्योंकि आपके कोच पे 12 सिंगा है. Thank you. Today's a big day. It's the semi-finals, MM. So welcome to Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3 in association with Varanga beauty partner My Glam and sustainability partner Eco Vero Lensing.
So guys, before we begin, I have a question for Ashna and Kusha that you guys have a relationship with Myntra Studio, right? Because I'll do a lot of work for them. And you're very engaged with your posts and your videos with Myntra Studio. So tell us about your experience. Kusha, aap bole.
You know, Myntra is home to 5,000 brands and there's so
Yes.
much variety. So it is so exciting because Myntra Studio has been very flexible in the kind of content that I could create for them.
Or Ashna, aap?
Since we all know Myntra is the fashion expert, they have a lot of variety in terms of clothes. And I love the fact that हमने Myntra Studio के सारे features ये season में डाल दिए, like M Live, and now we are throwing them brand challenges. So I think it's very exciting.
Okay, एक तो M Live है और एक M Like है. So Myntra should also get M Like. We'll discuss the. और आज क्या हो रहा है?
कुछ यूनिक होने वाला है आज. आज एक पोस्ट नहीं है. आज per creator 2 posts.
Really?
So their first post is going to be a video ad campaign.
Oh,
for Noise,
nice. But
right?
what's the product?
The product is Noise. They're going to have to use a smartwatch. They have
Oh,
to,
wow.
and then they can pick anything that they want: headphones, speakers, whatever.
So they can choose
Nice.
anything?
But they have to choose a smartwatch, and then they can choose a second product. Can be anything.
So when you say ad film, क्या ये एक brand association या branded content से थोड़ा हटके है?
थोड़ा सा हटके है क्योंकि यहाँ पे logos होंगे, package shots होंगे वगैरह वगैरह, and creators have to take their own twist
अच्छा.
to the tagline. Listen to the noise within.
Listen to the noise
Oh, wow.
within. Interesting.
Moving on to the next brief, the second brief. It is something that creators hate करते.
What
One
is
thing,
that?
Last minute content brief upload.
It is so stressful.
Honestly, जब last minute content briefs आते हैं, I think that is when we get the most irritated. आप जो बोलते हैं ना bad words,
हाँ.
मैं normally इतना नहीं बोलती हूँ, but तभी तो सिर्फ bad words ही निकलते हैं because it is the most stressful.
But then, would you say no to it?
कभी-कभी brand campaigns end moment पे आते हैं, and I think that is the real challenge which we're testing them on today, right?
Yeah.
But I noticed that a lot of times, something exciting has happened just then. You know, you just kind of change it last minute, and it kind of works even
Right.
better.
It's always
So
better. The last
sometimes
minute.
last minute really works. So this challenge is quite interesting.
Yeah, throwing a curveball like this at this
It's
point
important.
in the show, I think it's exciting.
It's fantastic. But आपने कहा कि 2 हैं. So एक तो noise है.
Correct.
So दूसरा क्या है?
The second brief, the last minute curveball brief, is for Eco Vero Lensing.
Oh, Ecovero lensing, of course.
What Ecovero lensing does is create sustainable fabrics for brands like Roadster. Those are all in-house brands at Myntra. And creators have to showcase sustainability, they have to showcase Ecovero lensing, and they have to showcase Roadster. So the brief was, take less and give more.
Oh, nice.
Right? You have to make a catalog of images, no video. Because it'll be interesting to see a mix, because creators have to do both things. One video, one static series of posts. And we are choosing our top 3. So the tasks have to be tough. It's a very tricky post to do.
And it's a very technical task, I must say. There is a time limit here, everyone. In 1.5 hours, they've had to achieve this.
Wow.
I can't even begin to think what's happening on their mind.
Their
what they're
mind,
thinking.
But you know what, honestly, I think इनका काम इतना अच्छा रहा है, and they've taken each challenge so phenomenally and so spiritedly that I think they're going to do this really well. मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है.
Yeah, and I think it's the real test because आज वीडियो भी करना है, फोटो भी करना है, so सबकी सारी strength आज ही दिखेंगी.
मुझे लगता है they'll do a fantastic job. मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है. So guys,
let's go to the Myntra Studio
homepage.
We are going to our first creator, and that is Queen Andrew, making
nice.
her campaign for noise.
The Queen says, I'm a noise maker, are you? Now express your true self with India's #1 smartwatch @noise. #noisemakers, #express yourself, #dil ka shor.
Oh, nice. I like Dil Ka Shor.
I like Dil Ka Shor.
I like Dil Ka Shor.
Let's see what she's done. I'm playing it.
The time is coming. The time is now to listen to the noise within. Express yourself. Dance to the rhythm of your soul.
मुझे इसमें कमेंट्स अच्छे नहीं मिलेंगे, आई नो इट. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो परफेक्ट नहीं लग रही, इट्स परफेक्ट बट
missing something. मतलब this is not reflecting your work.
I don't like
I
it.
was not impressed.
Where was Queen? There was no Queen. It was just a well shot ad.
Story missing.
The problem is Santu, product है but Queen नहीं है.
I think as a viewer, if I see it, I don't think it's bad. I also felt कि थोड़ा story कम है. It's very brand. तो आजकल when you're speaking about a brand, you need to give it some kind of gravitas, some personality, some gravitas, something.
In my opinion, when I watch something like this without knowing anything about the brand, and if I don't know anything about the brand or the watch, all I can see is that you can play music and that there's time. I don't see anything else.
मैंने लिखा है nice, but from Fabulous You, one expects more.
I have commented, I think this fell flat. There was noise, but there was no Queen.
I have written that Queen brands will work with
Yes.
you for you. Never forget that. Always stand by what you can do. I think ये बहुत ही एक अच्छा lesson है.
जी, बिल्कुल.
Because Queen एक इतनी exceptional creators है. ऐसे
100%
बहुत
agree.
सारे roadblocks आएंगे जहाँ पर you know there will be this tussle between the brand and the creative and you know what the creative vision is. And कहीं ना कहीं I think the creator should always put across their point and say what they have to do.
Yes.
And I have to say here, there were no restrictions.
Yeah.
I am going to like it. I think there have been many times in this show when we have given somebody a chance knowing that they're not going to get enough likes, and Queen से पहली बार एक miss हुआ है.
I agree with that.
बाकी सारे creators ने बहुत बार hits and misses दिए हैं. Queen का पहला miss हुआ है.
Yes.
I'm still going to give it. It was not a bad piece of content. It was not exceptional, and that's okay.
Guys, मुझे ये इतना बुरा नहीं लगा, तो मैं उसको एक like देने वाला हूँ.
I feel that what Kusha said, I absolutely also agree with that because I think as an audience member, I don't want to lose her because of one mistake. As an audience, मैं पिघल गया हूँ.
3 तो मिल गए, 2 और रह गए हैं. अगर आपको 5 मिल गए तो आप तो जा ही रहे हैं.
Ashna?
I'm gonna
Ashna and I are not giving her like.
तुम्हारी ना इससे अच्छी पोस्ट मतलब मैं देख चुका हूँ ना. मतलब ये ना मतलब मुझे सच बता रहा हूँ. मतलब मेरे को वो वाला एंड्रो नहीं दिखा इसमें. जो एंड्रो है ना.
Yeah.
So let's go to the M Studio page.
Let's go to the Myntra Studio homepage.
पहली बार ये हिस्ट्री में हुआ है, मतलब यहाँ की हिस्ट्री में
कि क्वीन एंड्रो को 3
को
लाइक्स है।
सिर्फ 3 लाइक मिले। 3 लाइक।
We are moving on to our next creator.
Priyam Yonzon. I am who I am, not what the world wants me to be. I love it. I listen to the noise within.
Love it.
At noise. Hashtag listen to your noise within. Hashtag noise.
Let's watch
I love the caption.
Yeah, it's really, really nice.
Let's go. I'm going to play it.
At times, you regret doing things that you love because of what others say. But wake up with time. I do what I feel like doing and I do what makes me feel the best. I love music. I feel it. Enjoy it.
I love it.
I listen to the noise with it.
Superb.
Very good.
Guys, I told you all.
Really nice. Amazing.
Gag!
Did you see? Did you see?
This is what Queen didn't do.
Yeah.
Yes.
She was phenomenal, and I love the way she brings in the fashion and the hand and the storytelling, and it's just
Even the water, just to show
water,
that water.
the features,
Really
Ashna.
good. This is what I wanted.
I loved it.
This is my favorite. Yeah, it's like a real ad. Yeah, and sold the product.
I want to say, gag, mama, gag.
I've commented, this is what we were looking for.
The last shot with all the products.
superb. You know what I love about her? She brings in fashion so beautifully, and also not only fashion, also expression. Her eyes,
That
speak a
fierce, that
story.
fierce look that she
So
gives.
that's what I love about her. That she's so quiet, but her work speaks.
Hand twist.
अपनी जगह पे पक्की करते हुए प्रियम ने 5 लाइक के साथ गाइस M लाइक की भी रेडी हो गया है ये बंदा।
Okay, so the next creator from Myntra Studio homepage is Devansh.
Amazing.
Noise. At time in life, we are not certain of what we want to do. We try our hands on different things. My take is to do what your heart tells you. Believe in yourself and give it your best shot at it. And listen to the noise within you at go_noise.
मुझे
I'm
कैप्शन
not impressed
नहीं
by the
अच्छा कैप्शन तो बहुत ही
Basic.
emo
बहुत ही basic है.
Let's watch this. I'm playing it now.
Life is beautiful. Time doesn't stop for anyone. Make every second count. Sometimes guarded, sometimes free. Live life how you want it to be. Be strong, be wild, be bold, be kind. Discover yourself. What do you want to become? Listen to the noise within you.
No, it's nice only. The product shots is really good.
You know how I will describe this video?
Yeah.
He probably went on Google and typed best motivational quotes. So be bold and listen to the noise within. It's like just a mixture of. It is true. It means nothing. They were not fantastic visuals. The problem is that there was no thought only.
Because he had an eyeshadow on that shot, and he was like, so.
but the eyeshadow was great but the rest didn't work for me
अच्छा comment करें.
I don't engage. This was worse than Queen.
I'm saying VO is real bad, D, video is decent.
So my comment to him is nice though. I wish you had not done the voice over, as the tone was not understandable.
Yeah.
I also wrote would have been better without the view.
मगर मैं एक बात कह दूं कि मैं इसे लाइक जरूर देने वाला हूं.
मैं भी like दूंगा. I like the video.
संतु सर ने दे दिया पहला लाइक।
Thank you, Manish sir.
आप लाइक देने वाली हैं?
Like दे रही है कि
नहीं
नहीं?
मिल रहा इनको
तो फिर चलिए नेक्स्ट को.
अंकुश, आशना?
नहीं.
Okay, moving on.
Oh shit. गाय मेरे को से 2 लाइक मिले. I am fucking scared.
सेमीफिनाले में सीरियसली बता रहा हूँ, मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है. मतलब मेरा डर बढ़ता जा रहा है इनकी वीडियोस देख के. मतलब अगर इनकी वीडियो उनको पसंद नहीं है तो मेरी वाली तो मतलब वो पहले भी बहुत बार कमेंट किए बिना चले जाते हैं, ऐसे ही चले जाते हैं वो. तो इस बार भी डर है बहुत ज़्यादा.
Let's go to the Myntra Studio homepage to our last creator for the first noise challenge.
This should be
This could
epic.
go either way.
No, I'm hoping it's epic.
Ankit says, सुनो अपने दिल की आवाज़ noise के साथ. #noise, #ANKX noise. hashtag noise, hashtag Ankit Vaid, hashtag सुनो दिल की आवाज.
Let's go, let's play, let's watch.
नहीं मन का पोश लड़का मैं आम पर कला में खास पॉट यहाँ जब से हूँ आया किया मैंने सबका ही टाइम शॉट हेटर्स मेरे मचाए नॉइज जो कानों पे लगे हैं नॉइज तो तभी मैं सुनूं ना एक दो चले ना जैसे ये करेंसी फेक हो करो दुआ पड़े मुझसे न पाला स्ट्रीट्स था मेरा पहरावा आगे लगे जिथे जावा रिस्क तैयार आज प्रॉफिट में लावा we are the front and we're the vibe yeah I'm the future I'm the change I go why and I go why
नहीं बचाएगा आपको हर बार रैप रैप रैप
अब ये जो रैप था ये तो मुझे पहली बात तो बिल्कुल समझ ही नहीं आया.
बिल्कुल
समझ में नहीं आया.
Absolutely unnecessary.
Also, I felt his energy was very low. He looked very
tired.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask him, are you okay?
Tired. I asked him, why was your energy low and are you very tired?
Why was your energy low as you are very tired?
He's agreed. He said, yes, I was a little low in energy this time.
मैंने ऐड कभी की नहीं है तो ऑब्वियसली मेरे को था ये इतना अच्छा नहीं जाएगा और वही हुआ.
I'll tell you what, मुझे ये लग रहा है कि when you rap is such an attitude. Rap is such a, you know, like a mood. I felt his attitude and mood was completely gone.
I agree with you.
Off. It was
You know?
off.
I thought the branding was on point. I'm going to like it for that.
I'll also like
MM?
नहीं.
Hey Ashna?
नहीं
कुशा आप लाइक दे रहे हो या नहीं
देखो
दे रहे हो?
लाइक किसी के बाप का नहीं है इसलिए नहीं दूंगी मैं लाइक
तो उसकी वजह से मतलब
2
मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि
तो सर गाइस अभी वीडियो के हिसाब से स्कोर बोर्ड है प्रियम 5 क्वीन एंड्रो 3 अंकित 2 मैं 2.
अगली पोस्ट मतलब बताएगी कौन घर जा रहा है कौन यहाँ रहेगा और लेट्स सी क्या होता है.
हेलो संतू, हमारी सेकंड पोस्ट क्या है?
Yes, our second post is the sustainable catalog post for EcoVero lensing.
Okay.
Our first creator from Myntra Studio homepage is Queen.
Oh, interesting.
Queen says it is important now more than ever to be conscious of everything we consume. The earth is our mother. We must take care of her. Less trash, more love, give more, take less. @ The Roadster Life, @ EcoVero_India, #conscious consumerism, #let Mother Nature heal. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं साइंस की क्लास से आया हूँ.
But nice, I liked it.
I think थोड़ा preachy है.
That's right, actually. You're right there. It's a bit preachy.
So the guys, the green template जो आप देख रहे हैं और ये जो format देख रहे हैं, ये EcoVero के brand Instagram से inspired है. So research is there. Research is on point. Let's watch the post now. Gag.
You are what you wear, buy less, choose well, make it last.
I love her picture.
I love.
And you know what's so interesting that she's covered her face. That's really very, very confident. बहुत ही अच्छा.
I want to go to the next picture.
Oh my God, how
Queen is
beautiful. Look at her, what she's written. You never throw anything away. We were discussing it preachy, but I don't think this is preachy
This
at
is
all.
like impactful.
So what she's
Caption.
written is a bit,
Yeah,
captions
yeah,
a bit preachy,
yeah.
but look at her pictures.
Absolutely, and I think ऐसे pictures के साथ जहाँ पर there is more visual, less text, I would say the caption is okay.
I want to go to the next picture.
Your effort can cause a ripple effect and help Mother Nature rejuvenate.
Heart attack हो गया.
Next करो.
wow.
As Mother Nature blooms, you bloom as well.
I just want to say that looking at the first slide, when I saw the first photo, if I see that on
Manisha,
someone's
thank
page,
you so much.
I probably won't scroll to see
Yeah.
the rest, which is the only thing that was disappointing for me.
Yeah.
But
Not
the rest
a
of the
wise.
images make up for the whole thing.
Go to the next slide.
The composition is so good.
Very
Beautiful.
Give more, take less.
I love the way she's kept it just green color.
So clean.
And so clean
So
and
nice.
so beautiful.
For me, you know, the picture that really wins it and which
Fashion
will definitely...
beyond.
Yeah.
Heart, 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 heart.
Queen is back.
Again, start with the banger. Queen
Now is the change, honey. Now is your time.
Yes.
I'm giving all my life.
All 5 likes.
Queen
Fabulous.
is back.
Let's
Queen is
go.
back.
Let's go to the now. Let's.
भाई क्वीन एंड्रो की पोजीशन
क्वीन
फाइनल हो
एंड्रो
गई है.
क्वीन एंड्रो भी अपनी
कोई
जगह
ना.
बनाते हुए
Queen is
A
back.
relief, honey. really.
Again with the bang, bro. Yay.
Going to our next creator, Miss Priyam.
Keeping it simple, chic, timeless, and sustainable. Always. Take less, give more. Love at Roadster.
Sustainable but fashionable. Hashtag reduce, hashtag reuse, hashtag recycle.
Nice.
It's not okay. It's EcoVero X the Roadster.
I
felt
wish
the caption was a little off.
ठंडा था थोड़ा.
हाँ, नहीं समझ आया.
Okay, let's go to the next slide.
I like the oversized denim.
Next slide.
Slip into monochrome. This is not monochrome.
This is not about the.
Okay, I'm going to our next slide.
I love this picture.
I love this.
Interesting. Interesting.
I love her fashion. I love her fashion.
Yeah,
And
that
I
I do.
love her attitude in the picture.
She looks like Rihanna.
Yeah.
But I don't get the first and
Yeah.
second picture.
Messaging नहीं है.
Messaging नहीं है.
अरे
I'm
eco
going to the
को
next
पता ही नहीं चला.
Slide. I'm going to the next slide.
Casual rebel chic.
I love
Oh,
Look at this.
beautiful.
Why
love
wasn't this
this.
first?
Very nice. Why isn't this the first picture?
Okay, guys, I'm going to the next slide.
Turn denim to statement.
But what is happening here?
Even the text is on.
What is this about? Like I don't
Wow,
know.
You
guys.
call it sustainability, I call it common sense. Listen,
First
one
set
second.
of
She's one
pictures, which
creator
was-
Yeah.
who speaks less, and you know, lets her image talk.
Yeah.
So this is what she's doing. It's for the intelligent. It's for
I
the
agree with
evolved.
him.
I know, but as a
fashion.
scene
But the
is
brief is
great.
not
The
like-
brief is to make a catalog and.
She spoke about sustainability in a very new way.
Rihanna will not wear a sustainable outfit and talk
Yes,
about it.
it's
She
very,
just post
very-
it and that'll be sustainable. That's it.
Yes, then stick to the fashion narrative. There is fashion, there is sustainability, there is denim, there is a greenery in the middle, there is font that is all over the place.
There's accent also.
The font is so 2000 and late,
Oh.
and the visuals are great. But I'm sorry, this is a catalog. This is not a picture.
I wrote fabulous, and I love the different narratives.
I like it. I like it, guys.
I have commented. It's a nice looking post, but I didn't understand the sustainability aspect about the brand.
My
brand नाम
point
को tag
is,
किया है.
it was not just one picture. There are several slides, and not every slide was it for me, and that's the reason I would not like to give my life.
Oh.
I agree with you, Kusha.
कुशा
एकदम bang
कुश
on.
मतलब
To the point.
To
और
the point
आपका
और
लिए constructive होता
कंस्ट्रक्टिव होता है कि आगे के लिए आपको पता लग जाएगा कि भाई
है। ये करना ये नहीं करना। और 2 लाइक।
भाई 2 लाइक पीएम को इसमें 2 लाइक मिले हैं तो टेंशन और बढ़ेगी।
हाँ।
Our next creator for EcoVero lensing is Devansh.
I like this. Fashion is not just about looking good, but also to keep the environment around us good.
I agree.
Hashtag EcoVera lensing, hashtag Roadster, smart to tag both brands, hashtag do it for the environment, hashtag climate change is real, hashtag sustainable fashion, hashtag green fashion, hashtag
Less is more.
But brand का tag incorrect है.
Incorrect है.
I guess I have tagged the wrong brand. मतलब spelling गलत है।
द रोडस्टर्स है।
I'm going to the next slide.
Oh, nice.
Guys, I like this.
I love this.
I love
It's
this.
the
The
recycle
recycle,
zone.
recycle.
Yeah.
It's the symbol of recycling.
I love it. I love it. Okay, next slide. I hate it.
I don't like the first image
don't
on
like
the
it
left.
at all.
At all.
Next slide.
I like this.
The imagery is strong.
I like this. It's interesting.
Go to the next slide.
Oh.
Sustainable green fashion is wrong.
You know, I've just understood one thing, that sustainable has become a word in fashion, which is so used, abused.
Exactly.
It is
And,
abused.
you know,
It is.
it's which is so sad. Guys, I'm just going on a like, I'm not putting a comment.
Thank you so much.
We like it.
But I didn't get any comment yet. एक लाइक तो नहीं मिल रहा मेरे को बस। Okay, okay. 4 likes. Thank you so much, Kusha. Thank you so much.
I'm not gonna like it.
ठीक है, but let's go to the next person.
Guys, 4 likes मिले हैं। While giving the BTS मैंने बोला था I need at least 4 likes to see कि मैं रुक पाऊँगा भी नहीं रुक पाऊँगा, but देखते हैं क्या होता है अब।
चले भी
Going to
home page
Mintra
पे।
Studio homepage. Semi-final के last creator, EcoVero Lensing Sustainable Post, Ankit.
The caption says caption. Style yourself, but don't forget to love your planet.
But what are these emojis? Can you explain me?
It's earth, it's lightning, it's water,
it's leaves.
At the Roadster Life, hashtag real life Roadster, hashtag Roadster XANK, hashtag save the planet, hashtag be fashionable. इस बार hashtag Ankit Vaid भूल गया ये.
Okay.
Again, he has not tagged EcoVero Lensing.
EcoVero tag भी नहीं किया है. Okay, let's go to the next.
Saving up to 30%.
Interesting. And also very caption
forward.
I like it.
This is amazing, huh? I mean, you've given the messaging, but you know, without using green, that's pretty amazing.
It's like fashion, but also like driving home a point
Yes.
without
It's
doing
smart.
too much.
Yes, it's smart.
Yes.
I am shook.
Oh my God, it's
I am
fucking, it's genius. Next slide.
Saving up to 70% water, each pair uses 36 liters of water less as
fan-
compared to other jeans.
Oh my God, it's
I am
fucking,
shook.
it's genius.
I agree with you, Santu, because this feels like something that can go in a magazine.
This is
a very, very strong image and a message, and not doing anything over the top.
But also, you know what is so interesting is that he's taken a complete confident and an absolutely different route.
Yeah.
Yes.
Which is very interesting and unexpected from him.
Discount ad that
He's
the
connected
way-
the discount part to,
and how
you know.
discount ruins sustainability.
Yes.
The way he's put the text also, it's so attention grabbing that you would want to stop and
You
read
will
what he
read
says.
it.
You will read it.
आज तक का MM
Yes.
पूरे दिन का मेरे लिए सबसे impactful
Yeah.
Correct.
brand content and branded catalog, जो भी कहना चाहेंगे आप इसको, मुझे लगा है this is so powerful.
What is that?
I am.
I said Ank Killer.
Anki.
This is such a topic of conversation because
Agree,
everyone
does.
talks about how much water
That's
goes
right,
into
correct,
making denims.
Next slide. Love.
Wow.
I really
Are
like
those
it.
droplets on his?
Yeah,
those
guys,
droplets.
makeup droplets.
Oh.
The droplets. Oh, it's in every look. It's in the previous slides also.
Gag.
I love the droplets.
Okay, let's go to the next.
Wow. Wow.
I like this image.
Beautiful.
I love this eco-friendly, no compromise with sustainability.
Wow.
It's unexpected from him.
I love what he's wearing.
Eco-friendly, no compromise with sustainability. Fantastically done. Fantastic.
Fantastically.
I'm going to the next slide.
Oh, nice.
Beyond Pro fucking found.
Dekho. Ankit is killing it.
This is a person who has actually just gone against our assumptions about him. We never
Yeah.
thought that he
Yes.
could do something like this.
I
But
apologize.
इसे तो कहते हैं कि life full of surprises.
I apologize.
I never really judge a book by its
There's so
cover.
much substance in this post. It's
Okay,
beautiful.
guys, so मैंने लिखा है interesting and different.
मैंने लिखा है Ankit, we're speechless.
Ankit, we are speechless. See, you are going to the finals.
I'm going to the last slide, guys.
Style yourself,
Beautiful
but don't forget
Beautiful.
to love your planet.
Very nice.
Nice.
Because you know, a lot of times people like
Connected.
style छोड़ दो, planet को ही प्यार. This is such
Yeah.
a nice balance.
Yes.
It's like you can be fashionable and still be sustainable. Yeah.
And also believable, it's also relatable, right?
It's my first Okru of the day. This is benchmark, MM.
ओकुर मिला है यार संजू सर से.
This was the best post for me today.
Thank you, Kusha.
Okay, guys, let's go to the likes now.
Okay, MM.
सब लाइक करेंगे.
KK.
And I will obviously give it a like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sanju.
Thank you.
I'm really, really proud of Ankit because, to be honest, I really underestimated him in the beginning. Like, and he's just been proving himself so much, and like, it's just so amazing to see this.
Guys,
Beautiful.
मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये भी M like के contender है.
Wow.
But I would like to say one thing. You know, हम कहते थे कि अंकित को रैप बचाता है, रैप बचाता है.
आज रैप ने नहीं बचाया.
इससे कंटेंट ने उसको बचाया. There are more layers to Ankit than we know.
जा रहे हैं आप finals में. Congratulations.
It's a roller coaster ride. man.
Yeah.
I've never been this moved and anxious in any episode.
And guys, I really want to see the like vote now. It's getting
I'm very
so
scared.
good. I really
I'm
want
very
to see
scared.
it. Where are all my creators?
I'm going to read.
Read it.
Ooh, shiver.
Oh my God.
Queen Andrew 8 likes. Ankit Vaid 7 likes. Priyam Yanton, 7 likes. Devansh Kamboj, 6 likes.
Oh, interesting.
लेकिन M like बाकी है.
There were 2 briefs and 2 content pieces, and based on that, Devansh is the lowest, is at the bottom. Is the M like going to Devansh to save him, or is it going to go to a different creator to elevate him?
Influencers, moment of truth आ गया है. I know कि तुम सब nervous हो, but keep calm and keep your eyes glued to the screen. It's time to see who will be in the finale of Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3.
गाइस अभी M like के लिए देखते हैं किसको M like मिलता है आज.
Hello.
Hey guys, how are you all?
Hello, everybody. Hello.
How does it feel?
Shaking. We are shaking.
Shaking. So now is that crucial time of M like. लेकिन मेरे जो fellow panelists हैं, वो मुझे बार-बार पूछ रहे हैं कि ये M like आज किसे जाने वाला है? मैं जानता हूँ कि अगर मैं शायद देवांश को दूँ, तो एक टाई हो जाएगा. Because ये जो हमारा लाइट बोर्ड है, as you all have seen, the marks Queen Andro is on 8 and Ankit Ved is on 7, Priyam Yanton is on 7 and Devansh Kamboj आप 6 पे हैं. But मैं अभी तक सोच रहा हूँ कि आज ये M like किसे जाने वाला है. Because I feel किसी का वीडियो अच्छा था तो किसी का पिक्चर पोस्ट. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि किसी भी एक क्रिएटर के दोनों पोस्ट अच्छे थे.
Right.
So I have made a decision कि आज ये M like जो है ना, किसे भी नहीं जाने वाला है. It's going to go to no one.
All right.
Unfortunately, Devansh, आज आपकी जो जर्नी है,
Yes.
आज खत्म होने वाली है, and we are going to unfollow you.
All right.
And it really breaks my heart to say this because last episode में बहुत लड़ा आपके लिए.
I know,
And
I
I
know.
introduced the 4th position as well.
Yeah.
But it happens. You are already a winner because you have been
Of
so
course.
fabulous.
Yes.
And I think I'm very excited to. Actually, all of us are waiting to even see you later today.
Me too. Me too.
I cannot believe that this is what the result has come to. But I want to tell you, Devansh, you have one of the brightest futures ahead, and I am going to follow you immediately after this.
All of
because
us are.
you
All
are
of us
such a
are.
fantastic creator.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Really, guys, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Bro, मतलब अभी सच में यार.
Oh, guys, man, I have to leave you guys. Wow.
Devansh was so good throughout. I didn't expect this. I really didn't expect
That was a
this.
little sad. I was sad.
It was sad.
I was sad.
I can't wait to meet him though.
Yeah.
Let's clap for you. Let's clap. How wonderful. And finally we're seeing you in person.
Oh my
That
God.
perfect face.
आपका जब आज वीडियो भी चल रहा था, तो हम आपके फेस पे कमेंट करने लगे कि आपका फेस कितना
You
सिमेट्रिकल
said
है
that.
एंड
and I was
एवरीथिंग.
like, मगर आप एक बात जानते हैं राइट कि आपका जो मिंत्रा के साथ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है वो अभी भी है. So you are a part of the Myntra family. You're going nowhere. And so it was wonderful seeing you and being with you, and we are all going to follow you for sure.
Yeah.
So Kusha has a gift for you, by the way.
And Devansh, this is from our beauty partner, My Glam, so that you live your life glamorously, which you do.
Congratulations on entering the final round.
Thank
the
you.
finale round. You are the top 3 creators.
But please याद रखिए that now it's the final, and it's not going to be easy. It's going to be quite tough. Only one of you can be Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3.
And that person will get a contract worth 50 lakhs with Myntra Studio.
By the way, I have a little announcement to make. Noise is giving a hamper to the creator who made the best post for their brand, and that goes to...
And that goes to...
Priyam!
Yeah.
Thank you.
Priya, please go to the Myntra store and pick up your hamper. It's lying there waiting for you. Go now.
Go.
Go, go, go. Congratulations to all three.
Thank you. So अंकित, आपका ये टायर्डनेस देख के मुझे लग रहा है कि आज हम आप लोगों को कोई ब्रीफ नहीं देते. You guys rest, chill, take a day off, sleep, calm down and sleep well, eat well, but work super hard when it comes to the finale and to the final round because we are expecting something phenomenal from you guys. All right? So take care and goodbye.
Thank
and good night. And many congratulations.
Top three.
See you all. Bye-bye.
We are in the finale.
Oh my god. So guys, finally I'm in top 3 and I'm fucking excited. और I think वो मेहनत रंग लाई और बस अब full on energy के साथ फिनाले में जाना है और kill करना है.
This is such an awkward cry. I cannot.